Hello, my name is Bill Wynn, and I'm going to be looking at nexttechclassifieds.com to illustrate why it is not the best designed website for my assignment for my class. Well, on the home page, you see immediately the multiple recent listings or whatnot for the website. This is kind of like, I guess, a classifieds website like Craigslist or something like that, where they're posting all kinds of things that they're selling. Problems first that you can easily recognize is they could style the recent listings, you know, the heading better. They could make it bigger. They could center it or something to make it more noticeable. You don't see it very well as it is. They can do the same thing for the promoted tag over here. The actual homepage itself, I don't think, in my opinion, I don't think that you should necessarily, you know, vomit out all these results as your homepage. It could be something else, but I mean, I'm not very familiar, so maybe this is how it's done. For the actual results, I think they could be better spaced or designed in a way where they're not just all crammed in there. It's kind of a lot of results, and they're kind of small. These are small boxes. I think maybe they could be bigger, perhaps. And for the actual code, it's kind of hard for me to understand because I'm kind of new and there's a lot of code with a lot of JavaScript and whatnot on it. But perhaps a better way to, I don't see that they did this Flexbox style on their actual styles that I looked at earlier. But, so my apologies if they did, but if they didn't, maybe that'd be a good way to have their actual results lined up in a way that would be responsive to whatever platform you're looking at this from. With that in mind, let me click on an actual link. This person is selling Angus cow. And a problem with this web page is, and I've noticed it earlier, I guess it's not very responsive when you make the screen bigger, smaller. But here's this cow that they're wanting to sell, but in the actual, this part of it, it looks okay. But the problem is that you have a description of it that's separated by all these recommend and likes of it. Maybe a description would be better in the actual up here where it probably should be, So I don't like how that's placed necessarily. Then in between the description and similar listings, there's like two ads, strangely placed ads. Similar listings should probably be on the side over here or something of that matter. And I think earlier it would have been when my screen was bigger, but obviously this website might not be very mobile responsive or site responsive. So those are two different ways that this could improve the page. Let me go to one more page. Let me go to their little where's their little help page. Oh, as I said, mentioning ads, you see here, like back on our webpage, promoted, mentioning strangely placed ads. Here again, there's a strangely placed ad for Southwest between the promoted listings and the rest of the recent listings. So I don't think that's the best design, obviously. Let me get off the code. Let's go to help. I actually kind of like this form. It looks like kind of okay. Problems with it, though, I would say is there's better ways to verify that someone's a bot, not a bot. Instead of having their these numbers up, it doesn't seem that as professional as how everyone else does it. Everyone else seems to have a number and letter generator for you to tell them that they're for you to type in to show that you're an actual human being. And again, problems that I have, I guess, are that these kind of, I'm assuming they're JavaScript script ads that just kind of don't look the best when it comes, to a professional looking website. Like, yeah, just doesn't particularly look the best where they're at. But all in all, this is my presentation. Professor Caparuso, let me know if you want me to be more in depth about the code aspects or something of it, and I can maybe take a look to see if I will do that. Thank you.